Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this really cool new model I just designed. Check it out. This is origami curtains, and it's folded from one square sheet of paper. No cutting, taping, or gluing. And yeah, and it's really cool looking. And yep, so this is the front side, and here's the back side. And yeah, so this model I folded from a 10-inch square of kami. And you can also fold it from a 6-inch square of kami. You can get one like this, or a sheet of printer paper cut square. This is the result right here. And yeah, so this is what I'm going to show you to fold. So I'm going to show you to fold it from a 10-inch square of kami. So, here it goes. Okay, so I'm going to use a sheet of red. So, let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds, and crease sharply. Okay, unfold, and now fold to the crease. We're making a door base, which is one of the most simplest bases in the world. And repeat on this side. Okay, and there it is, the door base. Okay, and now fold this edge to the top. Okay, unfold, and now fold this edge to the crease. Okay, unfold, and now fold it up so that this crease right here aligns with this edge. Like this. Okay, crease sharply, and now unfold that. And now unfold this whole flap right here. Now rotate like this, so we divide it into 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it's divided into 8. So make sure these 3 creases right here are mountain folds. So we're gonna make kind of a fan out of this. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take this edge and fold it to the nearest crease. So we make a valley fold in between. Try and keep it even. Try and keep it even all the way across. And crease sharply. Okay, and now fold this edge to the last crease. Not to the last crease, but this crease right here. The one below the last crease. Okay, now unfold. And now fold it up, so we make a new fold in between here and here. So yeah, so just divide this into 8. And now, this last one, fold it up so that this fold aligns with this last crease. Okay, like this. Alright, that's what it looks like. Okay, now you can refold this like that. And now let's repeat on this one. So, oh, and by the way, these two sides right here, these are going to be the curtains. Okay, so here we go. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this one. Okay, like this. This is what it looks like right here. Alright, so now let's turn over. And now we're going to fold this up. We're not going to fold directly in half. We're going to fold it up, and we want to leave some space on the top here. So just about that much. It's not really that important, but just about like that. Okay, like that. Okay, so that's what it looks like right there. Alright, so now this is what it looks like right here. And now keep it on this side, right here, so this longer side. this is gonna be the curtains right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start forming the curtains. So we're just gonna make these accordion folds right here. See? And be careful so that no glitches form right there. If any glitches form, you can just fix them up. See? And then stop right there. See? Just like this. Alright, increase this part right here nice and sharp. Like that. Okay. And now repeat on this side. Just make these accordion folds right here. Alright. Oh, there's a little glitch right there. Just kind of fix that up right there. Okay, like that. And then increase this part right here nice and sharp. So that way it stays. Okay, so now hold it like this right here. And now this part, we're gonna turn over and we're gonna fold it. We're gonna fold it up right over this edge right here. Like this. So hold it in place like this. And make sure it wraps tightly over that edge. Like this. Alright. And then increase that fold nice and sharp. Alright, just like that. And here is the curtains right here. See? Just like that. And that's pretty locked well. And if you want to lock it a little bit better right here, then what you can do is you can turn over. And we can make a little paper airplane fold to just fold this edge to, let me use my pencil here, to this edge right here. Oh, by the way, this pencil was designed by Jeremy Schaefer, and he made a tutorial for that right here. Alright, just fold it like this. Like that. And that locks it a lot better, I think. And repeat on this side. So fold this edge to this edge. Alright, just like that. And now, see, it's locked a lot better. See? Alright, and now just kind of shape it to taste if you like. And yeah, and once you did that, here is our curtains completed. And yeah, and I think it's a pretty cool model. And yeah, and it looks just like curtains. And one more cool thing you can do about it is that you can kind of push right here like this. And the cool thing about that is that it kind of makes a space right in here. So there's like a, so this is like a stage with curtains, see? So behind here is like backstage, you know what I mean? Yeah. See, like that. And no, it doesn't really stand. but that would be nice if it did though. But yeah, anyways, so there it is. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this and were able to fold it. And you know, if you were able to fold it, I'd like to see a demo of it. That would be pretty cool. So yeah, and once you made your demo, you can make a comment below and put the link to your demo in there so I can check it out. Alright, well, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.